Hi everyone, it's a climate and comfort presentation for Dr. Hanan Talib done by Dina Ibrahim. The location in which the event took place was somewhere between Sharjah and Ajman, UAE. I have been waking up for the past 10 years at 7 a.m. every single working day. Riding my car, not a taxi, heading Ajman. I spend nearly 7 hours a day in my office in Ajman University. After calculation, I figure out that I spent 25,600 hours from my life in that place. During working hours, I always noticed that in our university lots of issues need adjustments. Like improving air quality, noise reduction, enhancing daylight, thermal insulation, preserving ecolife around. When I decided to do my master in British University in Dubai and in climate and comfort class, Dr. Hanan introduced what is biomimicry. The word biomimicry is composed of two words, one being bios, that means life, and the other being mimesis, that means to imitate. We are only 1% of all species that exist in the whole planet. The other 99% long time ago have been solving their problems, but it takes us long time to figure out and study the link between how they survive or adapt and how in contrast we could do our role. But how we should start? In my case, I started with selecting the case study, then searching for the ideal natural concept, then finally solving the case study problems by analyzing the natural concept. I have chosen Ajman University in a specific interior design department as a case study. Located in Al Jarf, Ajman. Our department located in Block C, we have 29 staff members' offices. The aim was to solve the issues that affect the employees' health and comfort. And for more details, a survey have been conducted, which results in the following 5 strategies. Noise pollution in the department due to the existence of the student around, affecting staff member concentration. Thus, noise reduction is one of my strategies. Improving indoor air quality in order to provide a healthy environment around. Construction work around the university affecting the surrounding ecosystem. Thermal insulation, double glazing and wall insulation. The following charts illustrates Ajman weather. relative humidity, radiation range, wind velocity, and psychrometric chart. After 2 months of searching for the ideal natural concept, then finally the idea was discovered. Silvadora prisca, toothbrush tree, miswak, suwak, it's all given names for the same tree. My natural concept, preserving eco-life. It contains antifungal action, an inspiration for enhancing daylight, and it has a corky tissue which acts like sound insulation. The anatomy of Silvadora prisca have been analyzed as well. Then I started the creepy EcoTact program. Enhancing daylight. Office number 260 is very gloomy as clearly shown. Holes in wall illustrates how the pits are allowing water to pass, however bacteria and gas bubbles are not. Solar tube can do the same function, access the daylight to the gloomy office. Double glazing window were replaced instead of single glazing to reduce heat gain and loss. As shown in graphs, monthly heating and cooling load reduced with almost 20%. Extensive wood act like drought avoider in Silvadora prisca. After material improvement by using wood frame envelope, the results of monthly heating and cooling load reduced. The following strategies have been studied by literature review. After searching about how to control fungus growth in HVAC, I found 3 solutions: nano coating, UV light in HVAC, copper ions. Silvadora prisca tree contains a corky tissue, which can be perfect sound insulation and sustainable as well. Cork flooring works as acoustical insulation. Plants in general acts like sound insulation as well. Greening the corridors is one of the solutions. surface soil is removed, killing soil organisms and plants that were rooted in the soil. Since Silvadora prisca is a fodder tree, it sustains the surrounding ecosystem, and it can be a source of renewable energy for biomass gasification. Now it's a perfect place to work in. We provided natural light, we improved the indoor air quality, and finally we reduced the noise. And after today, all the employees will be satisfied with their working place. Finally, mission accomplished.